Hello everyone, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you the unboxing of the gorgeous January box from Simply Gilded. The theme of the month is Iridescent ink, and this month there are different options available. If you do not want to get the full box and you prefer to just have the washi or the stickers and the washi, I'll show you all the options and combinations at the end of the video. Now this box was just released a couple of days ago, so as I'm part of the customer service team, I received mine early, but if you are a subscriber, your box will be shipped by the end of the month. Now let's take a look at the box. Now there is this gorgeous background, which is an alcohol ink background with these beautiful blues with some sort of lavenders and pink, and then these little stars that are holographic. And the iridescent ink also font I absolutely love in that holographic finish. And then here on the side, as always, it tells you the name of the box, the volume, and on the back we have a cute little juniper, and it says let your creativity flow. And this is stunning. I don't know, but this box to me screams January. Something about the colors is just very refreshing, and it's just like puts me in a good mood for a great start of the year, and we all need a good year after 2020. And in the box, the first thing you get is always the little menu card that includes everything that's in the box. And this month we're gonna get the foil journaling card, designer washi tapes, deluxe sticker kit and seals, iridescent pretty pouch, B6 stitch binding notebook, sleek engraved gel ink pen, iridescent finish ruler, vellum and acetate sheets, translucent sticky tabs, and heart vellum sticky notes, and mystery item, which I will not share because I don't want to ruin anybody's surprise. Now, the first thing that I want to share with you is the beautiful pouch. And this, look how gorgeous. This is an iridescent pouch. It's going to reflect everything in my room. But the colors, you can tell, it goes from yellow to purple to blue, and it's beautiful. It has this piping, which is kind of like a metallic blue. And then here we go, we got a little zipper, and here this actually can be, here we go, undone. So if you want it up to open it all the way, then you can just kind of snap it back on, and this will fit most of the items that are inside your this box. But you can also use it for anything on the go. You can use it to carry your receipts, to carry your makeup in the pouch, and in your bag, everything. I think it's a great addition. And then I'm gonna show you, actually I gave them in the wrong order, the gorgeous journaling card, because I always think that Irene's journaling cards are kind of like art. It's gonna be a little hard to see because of the bright lights, but it says life imitates art. And I love, these are softer colors. There's more of the pinks and the purples on this one, with the little holographic stars on it. Just stunning, just to like, even actually I'm wearing something, I don't know if you can tell, well actually my sleeves you can't tell, but I wore something kind of to match the outfit, the box, and I wish I had a sweater with this kind of print. I'm just gonna keep telling that to Irene until she makes something. This is just a hint. Irene, if you're watching, this is a huge hint. Please make some clothing for us. And then there is the traveler notebook insert, which is a B6 size with this is a very soft, smooth kind of matte finish design. Look how gorgeous. The same alcohol ink background. It goes from purples to blues, and then the paper inside is dotted, and this is stitched with this stitch binding on the side. And again, I usually use them in my setups, but you can use them to carry everything around, your list, your notes, your reminders, anything you need. Then one thing that I always love whenever Irene includes it is the vellum and acetate, and these are absolutely stunning. So I'm going to put them on top of each other so they're easier to see, especially for the acetate. This acetate has these gorgeous little holographic stars on them. They're different types of stars. And then we have the beautiful vellum with the same alcohol ink print with holographic kind of veining through it, and it has this iridescent kind of finish to it. It's just beautiful. I'm in love with this, and I already have a little projects that I'm gonna share with you possibly on Friday, using just these two things and a couple of the other accessories that we're gonna get, just because when I saw it and I just immediately thought of it. Then we're gonna get these adorable tabs, and I love how they're packaged because, first of all, everything comes packaged in a little plastic wrapper. I removed it from the plastic because I don't want to, you know, put you through all the plastic noises. But these are little tabs that you can just glue at the side, you know, of your planner or in your book if you want to mark something. And it looks like kind of like a little Pantone little you know, little card, and each little individual tab, sticky tab, has a name, which is adorable. So we have Ink, Storm, Cornflower, Clarity, and Wisp, which are super pretty. It's just too cute. And then we're getting, and those are vellum, by the way, they're a iridescent vellum. And then for vellum, we also have these heart-shaped sticky notes. How gorgeous are these? Valentine's Day is coming, and even if you don't celebrate it, I just, you know, like to make little gifts for my kids or for my friends. So I just love this, and I just love all the packaging. I mean, how Irene always thinks of everything and every little detail. I love this beautiful iridescent kind of line right across it. And then we're getting a ruler, which is something completely different. Irene, you know, she said we're always using, you know, we all use, and very, very reflective. You can see me, but it's a 6-inch ruler, and it has a little bow here at the end. And these are super useful to use, like if you want to write something and you just want to make sure that it's got, you know, like you know, straight line, or if you bullet journal, super, super useful. And then we're getting a beautiful pen, and how stunning is designed. This has got that kind of like, what is it called? Like an oil slick finish, and it has this, you know, almost like a rainbow effect to it, but it's got the silver and a little bow on the top. This is a 0.5 millimeter black gel ink pen. And again, as always, we have refills on the website for blue if you prefer blue, but these are super beautiful pens. I always use them. I always have one in my purse, and they write beautifully. And then we're gonna get the stickers, and as always, we get a ton of stickers. Now with the sticker pack, which is like the luxe sticker pack, we get bows, and the bows are this time with an holographic kind of finish. They have that alcohol ink background and some soft lavender, and then black and more darker alcohol ink background. Say that 3 times fast. And then we're gonna get the little heart icons, and then we're getting 2. One as this, I just love this pattern actually. I love the blues, and it goes to the purple and to the pink. So these are just heart icons, but just to look at the pattern, it's just stunning. And then we have some heart icons, date dots, in this very beautiful blue with the little, I'm trying to see if these are, yeah, it's an holographic finish. And then we're getting the 3 pages of stickers for your planner or whatever you use. So Irene has actually enlarged or made bigger the little mini sheet that we always got. Now you're getting 6 of the half boxes, and then we're still getting 3 of the heart checklist, and then 1 more full box. It says light workers, sorry. It's gorgeous. And then she has also kind of changed out the a little bit the format of the full sheets that have the full boxes. So before we used to get 2 weeks of days of the week, and then here there was more of like 2 kind of that kind of header. Now we have instead 3 weeks of days of the week, so you almost get a full month if you're, you know, planning use our stickers for that. And again, if you want, you can get an added sticker only kit if you want to have the whole month with the same theme, which is in this month is so stunning. So let's look at over here. So 1 week we have the alcohol ink background for the days of the week. Then we have a gray, and you can also alternate them, clearly mix them up. And then we have 1, 2, 3 of the full boxes. These are gorgeous. Love this life. I have these little icons, little checklist, little puffy bows, and then some headers for meeting, appointment, groceries, etc. And then this sheet has these beautiful black, headers with this the weekend holographic finish. And here we're getting 5 of the full boxes, 1 of the half boxes, 2 of the little washi strips, more washi strips here, and more flags. So it's a ton. I mean, and look how gorgeous these boxes are. They're just beautiful. And I mean, they're kind of hard to see in the light, but the holographic finish just makes everything pop. Just really love that. And then we're getting to the washi. Now, the washi will come this month in this little silver bag, so everything will be in here. And if you subscribe to the main box, you will be getting all this washi. Look how beautiful this is. So the first washi is the bow washi, which you get in a 15 millimeter and in a 10 millimeter. And as you can tell, the pattern is the same as the alcohol ink background. Let me show it to you. So it goes from dark to light, etc., with the holographic bow on it, and it's just stunning. And again, same for the 10 millimeter. Then we're getting another 15 millimeter, which has a similar alcohol ink kind of background, but this is a different pattern. So it's lighter. It's more on the kind of lavender palette. You know, it's softer blues, lighter, colors. And it has a single line that goes across it in holographic. Actually, is this yes, this is holographic pattern and finish. And then we're getting this 15 millimeter, which is so cool. And basically it looks like it's 3 5 millimeters put together. So I just love this because I always like to pair up my 5 millimeters together to create a little pattern. And so Irina's taken the hard work for, she's just already thought about the best combination. So you're having a dark blue, a light blue, and the kind of like soft little aurora pink at the bottom. And then talking about the aurora pink foil, we're getting this 10 millimeter with a soft blue background and aurora pink puffy bows. Now I love aurora pink, so I am so glad that she included it in this box, because first of all, it goes so well with the lavender that's in the pattern, so I was super excited. And then we're also getting a perforated washi. Let me see if I can open it. It's harder to find the line. Actually, I can't open it, but you get the drift. This is a holographic background with little dots. You can use this as checklist. You can use this as even as a habit tracker. So there's lots of options for this one. And then if you order the 5 millimeter add-on, you'll get these 4 5 millimeter washi tapes. So they are stunning, and they have some of them the aurora pink, like this little kind of heart with stardust background. It's like a black blue with the aurora pink. Then we're getting the same alcohol ink background with the actually that's an iridescent little mini bow. Then we're getting this beautiful blue. I love this blue. This is like kind of like a Cinderella blue. It's just a perfect blue to me, with the little stardust pattern. And then a soft pink 5 millimeter with the aurora pink hearts. So this is the add-on. Now this is everything that's included in the box, plus the 5 millimeter add-on, which is a different purchase. But let me tell you, so the difference I want to show you the different options that are available. So first I said, one option is if you're a fan of washi and you don't want to buy the whole box, you can subscribe to the washi only option. The washi only option will include all the washi, the same exact washi that you receive in the main box, plus the 5 millimeter add-on. So all these for $21 shipped. Now this has to ship separately, cannot ship with your main box. So this will have a separate shipping fee, but you'll get all these for $21. Now, if another option, if you want to get the washi only, is to add the stickers only to it. And with the stickers only, you will get all these washi and the seals, plus a journaling card, and you actually get a journaling card with the washi only as well. So here you can also, you can buy them together, you'll get a journaling card, and both of these together will be $31, because this stickers only option is $10. So 21 together, $31. They both ship for the same shipping fee, which for domestic is $4, but please check if you are international or in Canada, and it will have a separate shipping fee. So again, if you want to get the stickers only instead, it's $10. This can also be added to your main box. So the washi only cannot be added, but the stickers only can be added. So in order to do that, you just have to email me at simplygildedbox@gmail.com, and I will add it for you. So this is the case of somebody who loves to plan a lot, wants to use one and keep one, wants to gift it to a friend. So it's only $10, and this with the main box will ship for free. Now, in case you want to get the stickers only and also want the 5mm add-on, this is also an option, and this will be $16. $6 for the add-on, $6 for the sticker only, and this shipped together for $4. Hope it's not getting too confusing for you guys. And then that is all the options. So we have stickers only for $10, stickers and 5mm add-on for $16, and this is all plus shipping. Then we have washi only with the add-on, which includes the add-on, for $21 plus shipping, and then washi only and stickers only for $31. And then again, stickers only can be added to your main box for no additional shipping fee. I hope I didn't confuse you too much, guys, but everything is explained on the website. If you have any concerns, any questions, is there anything that is confusing, please just give us, send me an email at the simplygildedbox@gmail.com, and I will be happy to reply to any emails. And otherwise, you can send me a DM for non-sub box, related to account at PlanningFancy. And again, this box is now live, so I hope that you will get it. If you have any questions, again, send me a DM. All right, have a wonderful, wonderful day.